Let's start by opening our magic box and identify the items. Card. Every time you need to rewatch class, use the QR code or the link. So keep this card in a safe place. Looking to the right on the top, we have the paracord to make our matching bracelet. Just below, we have the special details. Here are all the small parts: bracelet clasp, rings, charms and beads. Down here, we have the magic tools, essential tools for us. Right in the middle, we find the adjustable buckle for a perfect fit. Made with high-quality materials, strong, durable, and waterproof. On the left side, we have the paracord, which will become our dream collar. Notice they are numbered. I will explain on the video class. We will also need any type of lighter, a scissor, masking tape or any type of tape you have at home, a pen and a piece of paper to write down your pet's measurement. See you in class!